Hello friend, today I am going to show how to create viral YouTube videos in 2024. Identify trend fastest. Number one, research current trend using tools like Google Trend or YouTube Explorer page. Engaging thumbnail, design visually striking a thumbnail to mm, grab attention. Third number is catchy title. I use intriguing keyword reach title or that spark curiosity. Okay. Five number is high quality content. Use clear visual and crisp audio for a professional look. Six number is short and sweet. Keep video concise to retain viewer attention. Add subtitles. Make your video accessible for a global uh, audience. Ask viewer to like, comment, and share your video. Post regularly to stay on top of viewer demand. Use analytics to refine content, decide on what works best. Thanks for watching my video.